Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 8th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another good day today. The Dow went down 70 points today. Went up yesterday, went down yesterday. It's basically doing this little sideways dance right below the all-time highs. And some traders are having a lot of problems with that. We're not having problems with it. We trade a diversified portfolio, big portfolio, 70-some markets I scan, and there's always something going on. And we just had a good day today. What we closed out today, we were about 80% accurate. 80% accuracy is very high for us. So I'm really pleased. We closed out over $17,000, almost $18,000 in closed out trades today. It's a little pullback from what we had yesterday, but it's not bad. Almost $18,000 in closed out trades, but we are carrying $8,000 in open trade equity. And in spite of the fact that Dow was down, we got into some good markets today, and we also had some good exits. And I can show you that a little better on the chart. So let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see, yesterday we came out of the hole here, had this big run up, very nice, and then today we basically gave most of it all back, except you come in here, we had a rally right at the end. Well, what does that mean? I will tell you the high, this is all-time intraday high right over here, just a few days ago, and I'm waiting for this thing to wind up and blast out and start making new highs again, and it could happen anytime. It's going to happen soon. It could happen tomorrow. Who knows? Anyway, very powerful market, and it's just kind of sitting here like a coiled spring. Excuse me. Okay, trades today. This was one nice trade. We haven't been in this market too much. It is BITA, and that's BitAuto. I think I'm pronouncing it BitAuto Holdings. And anyway, this thing took off about 13% gain today, and we bought it. And we are holding over $3,000 in BITA on the close. So that's looking very nice for us. We'll take a look. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong place here. This was another nice solid trade. This is WDC, Western Digital, and we bought this yesterday, and it just kept going very nicely, and it closed out, and we got about $2,000 out of Western Digital. Two solid up days in a row. That's what we like to see. And finally, I have to show you this one. This is NBIX. I talked about this quite a bit yesterday. That is Neurocrine Biosciences. That's a mouthful. It's a drug company, and they announced something yesterday about a new drug, and this thing took off. And when I bought it here yesterday, this thing was up like 65-70% right where we bought that, and that's tough. That's scary to take a trade that opens that high. But I always tell people, look, you're better off to buy strength than to try and sell it. That's just the way the markets are. Go with the flow. And that's what we did. We got in here, got into this thing, and when we finally got out of here today, we took over $13,000 out of NBIX. So it was a great trade. It might have gone a little bit better. I think we're up to $17,000 with it at one time. But hey, I'll take $13,000 any day. So we had another great day. It's turning out to be a great month at the beginning of another great year. This is a bull market gone wild. Anyway, I'm happy. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.